Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the center of the map on the Paris Metro map and routes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen and tap on settings in this left side column. Then click on the first option at the top of the settings section, which is center map on. Tap on it, and here you can choose where the map centers when you open Paris Metro. So the map center, which is the default option, or current location on opening, home, or the selected station. So select one of these options. If you tap on the fourth option, which is selected station, you should select a particular station that will be the center of your choice. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.